Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be creating my 2020 vision board. I am so excited for this vision board, you guys. I create one every single year. Last year I used a cork board. This year I decided to do something different and used a canvas. All of the tools that I used creating this vision board I will actually have linked down below, as well as how I got all of my images. That will also be linked down below in the description bar. So if you guys enjoy videos like this, then just keep on watching. A vision board is a tool used to help clarify, concentrate, and maintain focus on a specific life goal. I always say, if you don't work, neither will your vision board. One of my favorite quotes from James Christensen is, "Vision without action is merely a dream. Action without vision just passes the time. Vision with action can change the world." When I create these vision boards, I always envision myself in the position that I place these pictures. My daughter will always be the center of my universe, so she will always be centered on my vision board. Every single picture on this vision board entitles a different meaning. To some of you, you may look at them and it just looks like a picture and you can assume what this vision board will be, but that's just to the naked eye. I take my vision boards very seriously. You can manifest anything you want in this universe. I emphasize the you because I mean you, Y-O-U, universe. The world is yours. I always meditate on a full moon when I am looking at my vision board. It just helps me to find clarity. I hang it in a place in my home where I'm able to see it every day. When you create your vision board, I want you to think of the life that you want, and not just materialistic. I want you to think of the space that you want to be in, and not just, again, a materialistic space. Think of the headspace that you want to be in. Think of what you could do now to change how you feel. Think of your mental, think of your physical. Are you healthy? Like, what can you do to change your diet? Think of things like that. Do you want to be closer to your higher up? Manifest on everything that you want. Whatever you dream, you can have.